Hey, what's up everybody, Sami here. Today we are going to unbox the Redmi K60 series. Just unboxing, really nothing else. Just unboxing because the time is really tight. They got 7 minutes to close the shop. So I gotta be really quick. I will do a super detailed review tomorrow. So please stay tuned for that and leave your comments like what you want to know about the Redmi K60 or Pro, you know, what do you want to know? Just let me know in the comments. And please don't forget to subscribe because I'm going to do the review of the Redmi Watch 3 and also Redmi Band 2. Let's get started. Alright, here you go. We have the K60 Pro, K60 and K60E. First is the K60 Pro. Later I will show you the phone, what kinds of colors, alright? First thing, paint. Menu, nothing new. Also we have a phone case. Also the gallium nitride charger, 120 watts. That's for the K60 Pro. And then we have the K60, the same design, the same packaging, right? Okay, the same thing. Sometimes I was wondering what's the point of this unboxing, right? The same thing. But let's check out the charger. Should be something different. So it's 67 watts, all right? And finally, we have the K60E. The same. Let's check the charger. It's 67 as well. That's the K60E. Ooh, the back is made of plastic. One thing is seems not that easy to get fingerprints or smudges. So that's the K60E. We have feels really lightweight. Okay, we'll do a very detailed review tomorrow. So that's the back, top. Now let's get to the 60 Pro and the 60. Alright, now here is the K60. This white color. It has a nice curve at the back. And that is the camera module. What do you think? Is it beautiful? Bottom. Top, we have the infrared blaster. That's a good thing. That's the front. K60. Here is the black color of the K60 Pro. I didn't feel like quite the difference between the three, to be honest. They all feel kind of the same. K60 Pro, the front. Okay, that's it. I will do a super detailed review tomorrow, so please subscribe if you haven't. Please let me know what do you want to know, in the comments, and I will test that tomorrow.